Mwanchi umulirira cyaragire cinsa 10 asengo koletera amangana Amayia munanyere ko bakagwatika ku rucingongo cyansi cyense na gutikira ase MSA asigeta seni kia Ndizi TV. Amangana yo ni gakoretwa asore no murari go Frida Kerubo ninchikoira na ase egekagetari egetambe erinde ngomanye ase nchira yo wenye. Kenda kutubuatia ase emetando ase chinsemo chilichia Facebook nyare gotonyora ase Ndizi TV News na wega ase chinsemo chilichia YouTube otonyore ase Ndizi TV News o subscribe o like na wega go comment na wega toiba go share ase chinsemo chebi manyerelio ni gotogo chikonyara ko tokoboterana nere Joshua Auta Mwancho muligereria gingo chaka kigima ni gongo komanyuna oyo korwanira ekerogo kyo governor ime county ya Kisii oyo manyekante mna Josiah Onyanja ni gagende guyakera ekoko ase orogongo rwa Gusii ritukoria rero niganyara ko bakagotarira chinsemo cha masimba abo ase anyara ko bagakumerana n'abamenyi bensemeyo rinde ko bamanya ntarari abaliganeretie ase obochori obonene bogocha horobotioro ase nchera hiyo bwagare
kwa Kiingereza hakuna mpaka niende Kisii. Nimepata nafasi nzuri kuzungumza na wananchi wetu wa sehemu hii ya Nyaribari Masaba. Wameniuliza mambo mengi na nimejaribu niwezavyo kuwajibu. Nikikumbuka wameniuliza mambo ya mimea, mambo ya pareto, mambo ya miwa, yote ukulima umekufa. Ndio nimewahakikishia ya kwamba wakinichukua kama gavana wao nitajaribu juu chini sana nihakikisha ya kwamba maafisa wa kilimo wale wataajiriwa katika serikali yangu watapewa uwezo wa kuweza kuwafikia hawa wakulima, wawafundishe mbinu mbalimbali za kuweza kusalisha mali yao hata na kuanzisha mimea mingine ile ambayo inaweza kuwaletea mapato na utajiri katika familia zao. Na nimewahakikishia chini ya uongozi wangu nitahakikisha ya kwamba mambo hayo hayatatendeka tena, maana mimi nikiwa mtumishi wa Mungu na mambo haya mimi nayaona, nitajaribu niwezavyo kuandika wale watu wanaofaa na kuwapatia uwezo vitu kama pikipiki na magari waweze kutembelea wafikie wananchi wetu.
Ekiombe getari ye serikali nigo kyanyarire ko bagiye kweroberia abo ase kegenderete kogania abo bakorwanirira ekirogo kyo governor ime county ya Kisii bachikomerana nabo igo kotebi abamenyi be county ya Kisii na raibara chiko bakorera magega yo bacholyo bonene bogocha
oyo iga n'umusangiririkano w'abarayi w'ebyombe ao igotoke ya Kisii county ebyombe bitali bya kisiasa twabere tokumira na gaiga SK St Philips Kisii na twarosiri ekyombe keiga egere tunyara ko batoko baligereria bali besokirie kurigia ekerogo kyo gavana n'abarayi bebituno beto bya Gusii banyara ko bako tutebya inki baganete gukora kolengana n'obochori bochiko cha 9 umutienyi onane omwaka oyiga ase igo kyombe keiga betari ya siasa kyabangire gutwara debate ya kabere ali Kisii University tarehe 7 umutienyi 7 mwaka oyiga debate yeyiga nekikorolibaga ase bali bakoliye kerogo kyo gavana bachiche banyara ko bako umerana n'abantu abana inchi egere babaeresere ali babwata sege kabu kyabo batete ko amwana inchi Kisii county
ase chinga kecho niganyarire ko bagakobaboria abamenyi be county ya Kisii banyare ko babagusira omurobelyo yo elinde banyare ko babakweneki onyarire ko bakogokorekana ase nchira yobukiranu niganyarire ko bagakobateyuna bachigosira omurobelyo yo gwetera asoko ruchibesa elinde ko robelia omurobelyo yo
sengencheyo nigo tokobolia abana inchi bali bali ya Kisii county na isiko ya Kisii county tunyara ko batogo support lingane riga ekiombe keiga kiarangeire abantu ba media chipengi china NGOs abantu rwatwa moyo muya banyako bakurwe getoro asogosire meremeye kwetera asogotume getoro kyaba pay bill number 7381030 account name Debate Rio moelio ligo tokobolia aspirants walibo bakuriyo bogavana itukeri gatara saba umutenyo saba mwako yega bali beke kando bataneli tukoba set kando bago chichase debate yega egera baumerane n'abana inchi base nabarabwo
bari bakuriya ebirogo wetera ekiama gya KANU fresh nigo banyarire kwa bagocha ase obwamo erinde kwa ine kibuna obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja banyarire kwa bokonyora obubui chinga kiechiga torigerereti obochori obonene bona nigo banyarire kwa bagokwana nabamenye borogongo rwagusi kwa ine kibuna banyarire kwa bagusira obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja nabo igo kubakera ekoko ase chinsemo chiagusi
ero turiga n'abana KANU Banyamira na Kisii County twachaga kuikaransa tugambe tubange tuweke mikakati ngakitokuri gichikura cheito litangani nende kere twanyorera ngakitokuri tukubwatirana turi gichikura cheito nende ngakitokuri geria baba gikura abe the 50th president ya Kenya iko twagambire buya litukuri ya lero twabikire mipango ngakitoja kubwatirana ngakitoja ku support ya tobe amo mune to kolega mune team yabagusi ororo buye bwechikura naende gusiye very represented buja kabisa so bugambi bwa papa ta 5th and that's where we are requesting wonye ndi yare konyarekana our leaders bagusi wants be come together as Azimio one Kenya to unite together to deliver 100% as a chikulechi
abo bisabo bochenukurwa ase county ya Siaya nigo baichanire obukina kwebirengo bya obureiro bwa COVID-19 nigo banyara kwa bakorawa noyo batenendete ase chinsemicho oyo manyikante na Dismas wakila abo ase abatebiri abamenye bensemeyo banyara kwa bakobwatia amachiko naboigo amarago ali abekire ne wizara yo bochenu erinde kwa ine kibuna banyara kwa bakorwana n'obureiro bwa corona.
In Siaya County, as of yesterday, we had confirmed, under this current wave, we had confirmed 18 cases. But we've just received a report that there are some cases which have also been confirmed at the prison. We want to establish, could be about another 15, but that is a report I received this morning. I'm still working on it. So you can see if we have that, then it would mean that we are having about 33 cases. Of these cases, 8 are in our isolation unit, meaning that they are serious cases that we have to manage at facility level. The others are in what we in home-based care. Even the ones at prisons have not been processed to our facility. When that process is completed and assessments are done, and there are those who require to be taken in our COVID management center, that will be done and we will share. Unfortunately, of these 33 or so numbers, we have lost three people. That shows that COVID is still lethal. That is why I was making an appeal that we go back. We don't lower our guard so much, but most importantly that we get the requisite vaccines. If somebody has not gone for the second jab, they should go for the second jab, and those who have gone for second jabs should go for the booster jabs. And we are starting a campaign on the booster jab beginning today, so that we just sensitize our people for that rollout. It is actually national. The Ministry of Health is driving it, and we want to take it up very seriously. Because our people have relapsed, nobody is going for vaccination, even those who have not completed their vaccination cycle.
Ekero abakenya bagendete guchingera nabo igo kwinyora abagotu bono nigo ebyombe abyanyere kwa bigo esokia nabo igo kubasaba abamenye bensetu ya Kenya kubarenda ase abagotu banyere kwa bagotebwa banyare ko bakwerenda elinde banyare ko bakomenya amatuko amange.
Lakini hapa imeharibika zaidi. Kuna shosho moja amesimama anasema hata ushako hajui na hana. Kuna wengine ambaye mambo yakiharibika ana mahali pa kwenda. Na yule hana ataenda wapi? Na ni hapa tu, ulisaliwa hapa, umekuwa hapa, umezeeka hapa, utakufia hapa, kuna mahali pa kwenda. So tengeneza mahali unaishi vizuri.
Omoriki obotambe we wizara y'abanyanyimbo uyo manyikanite muna Karanja Kibicho niganyarire ko bagakobasemia abanyanyimbo babe ebyorokerelyo ebiya gochia ase abande. Aya nigo arachigokonya anene mono ase obokoreri obuya bw'abanyanyimbo.
We have chosen a career to serve people, and we are serving our citizens because these are our employers. And we know from history the difficulties that we have had in executing our work because of challenges of empowerment, challenges of facilitation, challenges of even understanding. And as a ministry, those who have been there long enough, you have seen the kind of effort we have been trying to put to ensure that you are facilitated. For those who may not know, because we want you to be effective.
Mwanchi omarigereria korwa ase orobotiro nigo naikire omwelio bwa Amayia Ensa Eyemo ase nchira yobwenge korende tobasa gusika tobasa konyegeragenda kubwatia emirobirende gocha ime ya Ndizi TV inyora nabagotonyora ase emitandao ya Facebook nabo gochinsemo cha YouTube ase Ndizi TV News nabo konyara ko bako subscribe nabo go like ko comment na go share kenda gotobwatia nabo go ase chinsemo cha website at www.ndizitv.org or.ke Mwanche muligerelia ase chinsemo chebimanyererio tonyako tokoboterana nere Joshua Auta.